Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, bringing you guys another break. Today we're going to be looking at 2012 Series 2 Topps Baseball. It is Tuesday, just came out either today or yesterday. Hobby is scheduled to come out tomorrow, but picked up a couple of rack packs and a couple of hanger boxes. I'm going to open one hanger box on camera for you guys, so let's get to it. It says look for autograph and relic cards. So we'll see what we get. And I didn't get it. Alright, so here it is. Try and open this up. Try not to damage any of the cards here. Not easy to open. Oh, there we go. Alright, got a Matt Gamble. Oh boy, these are going to be all twisted around, aren't they? Guillermo Moscoso, Chris Perez, Jake Peavy, J.J. Hardy, Kendrys Morales, Jonathan Papelbon, Francisco Cordero, Wade Davis, Chris Dickerson, Ryan Sweeney, Eric Sogard, Chris Volstad, Scott Hairston, Alex Presley, another Ever Wonder card for the Rockies. Let's get these turned around here. Jim Johnson, Shin-Soo Choo, Jose Valverde, Heath Bell, Alexei Casilla, Wandy Rodriguez, Sean Marshall, B.J. Upton, David DeJesus, Ryan Madsen, more upside down cards. Ramos Ramirez, Giovanni Gallardo, Francisco Liriano, Chase Utley, Cliff Lee, Dan Herron, Gabby Sanchez, Brett Gardner, Nick Swisher, Buster Posey, Rafael Furcal, Gio Gonzalez, Danny Espinoza, Joe Mauer, Jonathan Sanchez, Derek Lowe, Gavin Floyd, Zach Britton, Jordan Walden, Vladimir Guerrero, Zach McAllister rookie card, Luis Marte rookie card, Jose Contreras, Faustino de los Santos, Cody Ross, Raul Ibanez, and we got a Rafael Furcal gold card. Oh, this is a nice one here. I like this. Prince Fielder, Golden Moments. Tigers, awesome. Mound dominance of John Smoltz. Gold standard of Ernie Banks. Nice. Miguel Cabrera, nice. Mini. Awesome. 87 mini. Golden giveaway card. It's my third one already. Shane Victorino. Huston Street. Matt Harrison. Another Prince Fielder. Mark Burrell. Jordan Schaefer. Juan Uribe. Hiroki Kuroda. Casper Wells. Joe Nathan. Carlos Quinton. Chris Carpenter. James Shields, Elvis Andrus, and a Ricky Romero. So, not bad. You get 72 cards. I think they're 1049 or 1029 or something like that. But not bad. Nice looking cards. Look for the Bryce Harper short print, which is available in retail, as well as an autograph version. Yu Darvish rookie, Brett Lowry rookie. So there's a lot in here to look for. I hope you guys enjoyed the break, and thanks for watching.